Good afternoon, everybody. We made a bail appeal to Judge Carter. It did not go our way.
New witness before the grand jury in the Sean Diddy Combs case. Courtney Burgess, former associate of Kim Porter, that's Diddy's ex-girlfriend, mother to 4 of his children.
What you received on the flash drives, was it the completed book or was it notes from Kim Porter that later were made into a book?
It was completed.
It says, Kim made me promise that if something happened to her, I would make sure this book became public to the world. The way Sean moved, I knew that was a promise I would have to fulfill.
Do you believe Diddy has something to do with Kim Porter's death?
Absolutely. Without hesitation.
In a surprising turn of events, Mark Agnifilo, one of Diddy's leading defense attorneys, was seen leaving a courtroom just as new allegations against the music mogul surfaced. These accusations come from an old associate of Diddy's late partner, Kim Porter, adding to Diddy's already challenging legal troubles. This unexpected sighting raises questions about the strategy and future of Diddy's defense. Could it signal a shift in how Diddy and his legal team are approaching these mounting challenges? As the situation develops, it seems the stakes are higher than ever, with potential revelations that might not only impact Diddy's legal standing, but also the public's perception of him.
Have the feds been in contact with you? I did watch your YouTube interview. I saw as of 2 weeks ago they haven't been in contact with you. What about today?
Yes.
So they have been in contact with you. Is that why you're here today?
Yeah.
Authorities are reportedly uncovering new evidence related to the case surrounding Kim Porter's passing, which could potentially serve as a pivotal point for the prosecution against Diddy. For years, whispers of Diddy's involvement in the mysterious circumstances of Kim's death have circulated, with numerous individuals directly accusing him. However, this latest development appears to dig deeper, suggesting that the implications might extend beyond past accusations. What if this new evidence not only impacts Diddy, but also sheds light on larger issues of accountability and the complexities surrounding celebrity relationships? As the investigation unfolds, it raises the question of whether justice will finally be served, and what this means for the broader narrative about power dynamics in the entertainment industry.
Do you know if the notes from the book really were from Kim Porter?
It was, yes, because I spoke to her.
Courtney Burgess, a new witness in Diddy's case, has come forward with a shocking claim. He not only alleges to have seen the tapes that are central to the prosecution's case, but also claims to possess them. These tapes reportedly contain evidence that could implicate Diddy and other celebrities in inappropriate relationships with younger individuals. This development raises serious questions about accountability in the entertainment industry. What if these tapes reveal a much larger pattern of behavior among powerful figures, prompting a revaluation of celebrity culture and its often troubling dynamics? As the situation unfolds, it could ignite a broader conversation about the ethics and responsibility of those in the spotlight, challenging the status quo and demanding change.
Was it the completed book or was it notes from Kim Porter that later were made into a book?
It was completed. It's only 60,
Okay.
only about 54 pages.
It appears things may be taking a turn for the worse for Diddy as new evidence presented by the witness could be the tipping point for his defense team. Reports suggest that many of his attorneys are now distancing themselves from the case, which is increasingly looking like it could sink Diddy's legal standing. This exodus raises intriguing questions. Are his legal troubles revealing deeper fissures in his support network? Perhaps this situation reflects not just individual choices, but also the broader implications of loyalty in high-stakes environments. As cracks emerge in Diddy's defense, it invites speculation about how far the fallout might reach, not only affecting his career, but also prompting discussions about accountability and integrity among those who choose to stand by him.
And this is what I'm getting at. When you have a lot of money and you have no accountability and you want to do whatever the you want to do whenever the you want to do it, I think he can go a little bonkers.
Diddy is facing serious allegations, including accusations of manipulating individuals while they were under the influence, and the situation has become even more complicated with the latest claims from witness Courtney Burgess.
Diddy is accused of a slew
Not
of
only does
crimes,
Burgess allege to
which
have
are
video
not limited
evidence
to
against
forcing
Diddy,
several
but he also
individuals
claims
do
to
his
possess
bidding
Kim
and
Porter's
have been
original
sung by
notes for
many
her book.
for over a decade.
These notes reportedly detailed Diddy's troubling behavior during their relationship, and Burgess's sources indicate that they were to be released only if something happened to Kim.
Surrounding Kim Porter's passing,
This raises
with several
unsettling
people
questions
directly
about the
accusing
nature of their
rapper
relationship.
being involved.
Did Kim feel so unsafe that she felt the need to safeguard her story? As this narrative unfolds, it casts a shadow not only over Diddy's legal troubles, but also highlights the complexities of trust and vulnerability within high-profile relationships, challenging the public's perception of celebrity dynamics.
And that was somehow construed or understood or turned into a raid, but he did not face a raid. It was just to serve him this opinion.
Although not officially confirmed, it seems the revelations from Kim Porter's associate have created significant turmoil for Diddy and his legal team, adding to the mounting cases already against him. Fans speculate that prison time could be in Diddy's future, and the concerns extend beyond just video evidence and accusations of manipulation. Many believe he may have played a role in Kim's untimely death, which complicates the narrative further. With Burgess's story marking just the beginning of this unfolding saga, it raises the question: what if this case sparks a deeper investigation into the darker side of celebrity life? As more information emerges, it could force a reckoning not only for Diddy, but also for the industry as a whole, challenging how we view power, accountability, and the often hidden struggles of those behind the fame.
Ambitious. He was then from ambitious went to doing anything, and then from doing anything to didn't care about nobody, who he could beat, and then he ended up turning into Lucifer.
As if Diddy's reputation wasn't already tarnished by numerous allegations portraying him as a figure of fear, new troubling details about his personal life continue to surface, reinforcing these negative perceptions. Reports indicate that the situation has become so dire that some members of his legal team are distancing themselves from him, with one lead attorney allegedly so rattled by the latest accusations that he chose to lead the case. This has cast an even darker shadow over Diddy's credibility, particularly concerning the ongoing speculation about his potential involvement in Kim Porter's passing. What makes this scenario particularly fascinating is how quickly celebrity scandals can escalate, and Diddy's case is a prime example of that volatility. As the narrative unfolds, it raises questions about how fame can warp relationships and perceptions. Will this be a turning point that forces a deeper examination of the darker realities behind the glitz and glamour? The unfolding drama may not just impact Diddy, but could also spark broader discussions about accountability and ethics in the celebrity world.
It's not all the time they say this, but they say this is going our way. Not the bail. They say we have them. We got a lot of people who are going to talk and say that this is what Diddy was about, and some people may pass it off as hip-hop culture.
Courtney Burgess, a crucial witness in the investigation into Diddy, recently shared shocking information during an interview with News Nation's Banfield. He disclosed that he received 11 flash drives containing 8 tapes featuring several high-profile individuals, including some who were allegedly minors. Burgess testified before a grand jury in New York, revealing that these flash drives were given to him by Kim Porter, Diddy's late partner. This raises unsettling questions about Kim's intentions. Did she foresee potential trouble and aim to expose troubling behaviors before her untimely death? This twist not only highlights the complexity of celebrity relationships, but also suggests that Kim might have been aware of dangers lurking in her world, potentially casting a new light on the circumstances surrounding her death. As more layers of this story unfold, it could force society to confront the often hidden and darker aspects of fame and power, challenging the glamorized image of celebrity life.